Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding and using the Facebook Marketplace. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but the settings will be similar on desktop too. On the Facebook app, there should be a button to get to the marketplace from your homepage. It looks like a shopfront and should be in the menu bar either at the bottom or top of your homepage. However, if it's not there, you can tap on the three lines button from the bottom right corner or top right if you're on Android. The Facebook Marketplace should be somewhere on this menu here. If it is not, then scroll down and tap on See More, and it should be on that menu. When you are on the marketplace, you can tap on the user icon in the top right corner to see your commerce profile and see any marketplace related messages, change the search location, see your listings and what you have saved and are following. You can tap on settings to manage your notifications and set a custom message to send to sellers. You can search for specific items by tapping on the search icon in the top right corner, and also browse popular categories here. If you tap on an item, you can directly message the seller or save the item to look at later. You can see the location and description of the item. You can also create a similar listing alert so that you will be notified when similar listings to that one are posted. To sell an item on the Facebook Marketplace, tap on Sell in the top left corner. Choose what your listing is and then add photos, details, price and location. At the bottom of the page you have the option to hide your listing from your friends in case you don't want people to know what you are selling. Tap on Next and then post your listing. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.